Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how to change voice language in ElevenLabs. So first, you will have to log into your ElevenLabs account and then go to the left-hand menu, and then you will have to click on speech synthesis or text-to-speech. It depends on the terminology that your version has. Now, you will have to just wait for it to load, and then you will have to paste your space or type your script in the main text box. Just below the text box, you will find the language button if it is visible for you. Then you will have, and by the way, this sets the language for how the voice reads your script. You will click it and you'll see supported languages like English, Spanish, German, Italian, Portuguese, Japanese, and more. Select the language that matches your script content. Then at the top of the panel, you will select a voice that's compatible with your chosen language. Some voices are optimized for specific languages. Finally, you will have to click the Generate Speech button. Then after that, you will just have to wait for the audio preview and you can finally download it using the download icon after it finishes processing. And that's basically it. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.